All right, just to recap, okay? From a mass spectrum, if you look at the molecular ion peak, you're gonna get the molecular weight, okay? And that's the weight of the intact molecule. You can use the nitrogen rule on it, tell you about the presence of nitrogen, odd and even number. M+2 peak, tell you the presence of bromine, chlorine, and add iodine into it, although it's not the real M+2, okay? And it also tells you how many of them are there in the mix or not. All right, and the last thing we're going to look at is rule 13. We use this on the molecular weight or the molecular ion peak. Okay, this one you can derive molecular formula, which can tell you later the degree of unsaturation after, which is really important. Okay, all right, rule 13 will look something like this. Okay, how we use it. All right, so what I have here is the mass spectrum of phenol. Okay, now let's say you don't know this is phenol. How do you come up with a structure of phenol using this mass spectrum? Okay, so the idea would go like this. So first of all, just like normal, right? Same drill. We're gonna look at the molecular ion peak, 94. Doesn't tell you about phenol at all. Okay, but that's where you start. You're gonna use rule 13. If you use rule 13 on 94, you're gonna get to a based formula. Okay, from a base formula, you can use some other information. For example, use IR, use DOU. You can use M+2 peak to get you to the possible molecular formulas, and it might become phenol after. Okay, so that's the drill. Start with the molecular ion peak first, go to the base formula, and then possible molecular formula. Here's how it works. Get your calculator ready. Okay, all right. Here's rule 13. Okay, look like a formula, but it's not really a formula. So this is how it works. Okay, so rule 13 will get you to the base formula, and the base formula have the formula of CnHn plus R. Okay, N is the numerator, R is remainder. Here's how it works. Okay, all right. First of all, this is 94, right? So we're gonna in your calculator, you're gonna find the multiple of 13 that is closest to 94. Do not exceed 94. Okay. You're gonna find the multiple of 13 that closest to the 94. So I'm gonna try this on my calculator. So I'm gonna try 13 plus 6 is 78, 13 plus 7 is 91, 13 plus 8 is 104. But that's too much. That's above 94 now. Okay, so we're gonna go back to 91. So right now my n is 7. This number 7 gets you as close to 94 as we can. Then 91. Okay, that's 7. So n is 7. R is remainder. Right now it's 91. The remainder up go to 94 is 3. 94 minus 91 is 3, basically. So my base formula from the from 94 molecular ion is at 94. Okay, is CnHn plus R, not just HR. It's N plus R. So C7H7 plus 3. Total of base formula C7H10. That's a base formula. Okay. All right. I want you to do this on your own first. Okay. Here we go. Can you try this on your own with the 58? All right. Check with me. Okay. So I'm gonna find the multiple of 13 that get us closest to 58. Here's how we do it. Try 13 plus 3, 39. 13 plus 4, 52. That's probably that one, right? 13 plus 5, 66. Too far. Go back to 4. So n is 4. Right now we are at 52. The remainder to 58 is 6. Okay, so that's R6. So CnHn plus R. So going to be C4H4 plus 6, not just H6, 4 plus 6. Okay, that's your base formula. Okay, all right, that's rule 13. Get you to base formula. The next video going to be how you get to the base formula to the possible molecular formula.